In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add XAUSD, or gold, on MetaTrader 4 in just 5 minutes. Now, whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, having quick access to important trading pairs like XAUSD can be crucial. So, let's make sure you get this set up smoothly. To kick things off, open MetaTrader 4 where you're logged into your broker account. MetaTrader 4 is a powerful platform for currency trading, and quick access to different trading symbols can make your trading experience more efficient. Once you have the app open, locate your way to the MarketWatch section. It's usually found on the left side of the platform's interface and looks like a list or panel showing different currency pairs and market information. Once you're in MarketWatch, you'll need to navigate to the Symbols tab. It's a critical step because this tab is your gateway to every available trading symbol on the platform. If you glance around, you'll see several tabs along the top. Look for the one labeled Symbols and click on it to proceed. Now, with the Symbols tab open, you'll see a categorized list of various instruments you can trade. Here, right-click anywhere inside this area. Doing so will pop up a menu with several options, one of which will be Symbols. Click on Symbols from this menu. This is where you'll find different categories of trading instruments. After you've clicked into Symbols, your next move is to locate XAUUSD from the list. Keep in mind, XAU is the code for gold, so you might see it listed under different categories such as commodities or metals. You might need to expand sections to find it, but once you're there, XAUUSD represents the trade of gold against the US dollar and is what we're looking to add. Upon finding XAUUSD, highlight it, and you'll notice a button labeled Show. Go ahead and click Show. This action will enable the selected trading pair, making it available in your MarketWatch list. After clicking Show, simply close the window. It's as straightforward as that. Now, after closing the Symbols window, take a look at the MarketWatch list once more. XAUUSD should now appear at the bottom of your list. It's ready to be used just like any other currency pair, allowing you to participate in the gold market directly from your MetaTrader 4 platform. And there you go. XAUUSD is now successfully added, and you're set to start exploring your trading options with gold. I hope this brief tutorial helps you as you navigate your trading activities, ensuring you have all the resources you need right at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!